Hey everyone! Are you wondering whether to choose React.js or Next.js for your next project? You're not alone. In this video, I will break down all key differences between these two amazing tools so you can make the best choice. Stick around and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your need. But before that, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's go! To make a nice comparison between React.js and Next.js, first we should know what is React and what is Next.js. Let's start with React. React is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building user interfaces. Its main job, helping you create reusable components to make your code more efficient and scalable. Some key features about React.js: components-based architecture. React lets you build UIs with reusable pieces called components. Think of them like Lego blocks for your app. The next one is virtual DOM. React optimizes performance by updating only the part of the UI that change, using something called the virtual DOM. And the last one, I should say, is flexibility. It's super flexible and doesn't come with strict rules, but that also means you'll need to set up things like routing and state management yourself. The next question is, what is Next.js? Next.js takes React to the next level, pun intended. It's a framework built on React that simplifies development by adding features like server-side rendering or SSR and static site generation, that is SSG. Some key features for Next.js, I should say, the first one is file-based routing. You don't need a separated library like React Router that we use in React.js. Just create a file in the pages folder and boom, you have a new route. The next one, as I said, is SSR and SSG. Next.js makes your app faster and better for SEO by letting you render content on the server or generate static pages ahead of time. The next one is built-in optimization. It comes with automatic code splitting, image optimization, and more. Now it's time to make head-to-head comparison between React.js and Next.js. As you can see, some features, for example, flexibility, routing, SEO optimization, and use case. The first one is flexibility. In React, it's high and you configure everything. In Next.js, it's medium and comes with the pre-built features. The next one is routing. In React, you need React Router. You should install this library to use it for make your application routable. But in Next.js, it's built-in file-based routing. It's so easy. The third topic is SEO optimization. In React.js, it needs extra tools, but in Next.js, built-in SSR and SSG. The last topic, but not least, is use case. SPAs and custom apps you can make in React.js, and in Next.js, it's content-driven and SEO-focused app. Here's the deal. If you love having full control and building things from scratch, go with React. But if you want a faster setup with built-in features, Next.js is your lovely friend. Now it's time to say that when to use each. Use React if you are building a highly interactive single-page application, that is SPA, and you need maximum flexibility for custom solutions, and of course you are okay with setting up routing, state management, and other tools yourself. But when to use Next.js? Use it if you are building a blog, e-commerce site, and you want faster performance and pre-built optimizations. The other one is you prefer an opinionated framework that saves time. The crucial question here is, which one should you choose? It depends on your project. For beginners or SEO-heavy sites, I'd say go with Next. But for advanced customization or SPA development, React is perfect. I hope this video cleared things up. Let me know in the comments, are you team React or team Next.js? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Farewell developers.